Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video on this absolutely phenomenal Aprilia RSV4 factory. Here we have an Aprilia RSV4 factory. This is a 2021 bike on a 21 plate with just 675 miles, one owner from new and a full service history. This bike is in immaculate condition and comes with the Akropovic silencer, as well as the rear seat. The cowl's fitted there, but we do have the rear seat as well. All the bodywork on this bike is absolutely pristine, as you would expect for a bike that's just a year old with only 675 miles. The bar ends, the levers and the mirrors are unmarked. You've got those all-important MotoGP style carbon fibre wings there. They really do look the part. This thing is an absolute beast. 214 horsepower, V4 1100cc engine with the Öhlins electronic suspension. Brembo brakes, you name it, this thing's got it. Wheelie control, slide control, launch control, race ABS. This really is a MotoGP bike for the road. Rear tyre's got loads of life left in it there. The Bosch IMU controls all the electronics fantastically, basically the industry standard. The front fairing, there's no stone chips or anything on this bike. It's certainly not been ridden in a pack or done any track days. As you can tell from the absolutely mint condition bodywork. The front tyre's got loads of life in it there as well. No marks, dings, dents or damage to the front wheel. The left hand side of the bike, that is as lovely and pristine as the right. No damage to the mirrors, bar end or lever. Likewise, those Öhlins electronic forks are in mint condition and looking resplendent in the gold. There's that carbon fibre wing on the left hand side. Petrol tank unmarked on this side of the bike as well. There's the Öhlins rear shock just nestled in there, and that is in mint condition as well. We've got the paddock stand bobbins there as well. Rear foot pegs, as I said, we do have the rear seat for this bike as well, though Christ knows why anybody would want to get on the back of it. I certainly wouldn't. Full colour TFT Dash. There's your controlling wires, if you like, for the Öhlins suspension. Absolutely a superb bike and an absolute beast. Massive saving on the price of a new one, if you can get one. Obviously a massive shortage of new bikes these days. This is an absolute beast and absolutely amazing MotoGP bike for the road. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this awesome Aprilia, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.